feeding the wild birds, aren't I? And I'm not going out today, I'm staying in today. I'm having a day in today. Yeah, I'm not going nowhere today. Nah. I'm going to feed the wild birds, aren't I? I'm going to feed the wild birds, aren't I? I thought I've done this with YouTubers. Get in there, lad. Yeah. That'll last them all week. Get in there, lad. English country garden. Yep. I topped up the bird feeders. Get in there, lad. That's my good deed. I do one good deed per day. I do a good deed per day. That's my good deed. Yeah. Makes me happy knowing that the birds are going to be fed. I'm not being selfish. Do you know what I mean? No selfish here, my lad. No. I'm saying I'm on a day in today. I'm having a day in. I'm on a day in today. Yeah. I'm on a day in. What I'm doing now, YouTubers, I'm going to pack YouTube in when I get into another relationship. Yeah. If I get into another relationship, that's when I pack YouTube in. Because my next relationship's not going to be online. No. That's it. Looking straight in, mate. Bless him. They're hungry later, aren't they? Tuck him, mates. Beautiful, aren't you? You pretty bird. You good bird, you good bird, you good bird. You good bird, you good bird, you good bird. You good bird, you good bird. You good boy. Oh yeah. Oh. Have a look. I'm going to have a look at the racing post, see what's running out. I mean, I'm not having a bet today, I might not, but just have a look. I might have a few bets on today, I don't know. I'm gonna look. I need to have a look first. It's all jump racing, isn't it? We've got Leicester on. Here we've got Maidan. So look at Leicester. No, I'm not betting today. No, I'm not even bothered looking. I'm going to delete the app. No, I'm not bothered. I'm not gambling. Nah, I saved my money. I think I'm on a day off today. I mean, day off, like, I'm not going to go out the house today. I'm going to stay in bed all day. I'm just going to stay in bed all day. That's where I'm going to go back to bed. I'm actually going to go back to bed now. I'll have a couple hours. Get to probably sleep. Yeah. I didn't go to bed about 4 o'clock this morning. I was up again all morning, talking to women, wasn't I? Tell you what, some women got I'm not gonna say it. Alright, YouTubers, I'm on a day in. I'm not going out today. I just fancy a day in away from people. So some days I like going out, some days I like to stay in. I want to be on my own. I don't want to be around people. I'm going out till I need to go to the butcher's tomorrow and that. But Saturday and Sunday I'm staying in. But depends if I'm going to have a date or not. I might have a date, I might not. Depends how it goes. But yeah. Okay. See today I went out on the garden, but I'm not even going out today. I want a day on my own. I want to have some time out away from people. I want some quietness. I want some peace and quiet. Yeah, I did a couple more hours. Well, I've done a good deed for the day. I fed the birds, so that's good. Yeah. I fed the birds. Alright, YouTube. Yeah. I'm gonna go back to bed now. I'll see you a lot later, YouTubers. Have a lovely day. Take good care of yourself. See you later.